Hey guys, Dennis Driesen here with Autowash, and you guys are probably getting a lot of questions or have questions yourself about some of our products. Today we're going to cover Complete Clean. And so with Complete Clean, we've got a couple of different things here. One, it's a waterless wash. So if you want to wash your car in under 10 minutes, this is the way to go with zero water. The other way you can use Complete Clean is as a clay lube. So I'm going to go a little bit in depth on how that works and how it works with the towels that we've matched it with. So Complete Clean is a product that uses nanotechnology, and basically when you spray it on the surface of the vehicle, it wraps all the dirt in little nanotech micro bubbles and helps start lifting that dirt off of the surface, makes it easier to clean. So at the nanotech and molecular level, we're trying to pull that dirt off the vehicle to make it clean easier. And so if you're using it as a waterless wash and you don't want to use any water and you want to wash your car off, Complete Clean's a fantastic product to be able to do that and not scratch the car. So what we're doing is we would match it up with, one is the Complete Clean towel, which has been specially designed, and you guys ask about towels all the time as well. The Complete Clean towel is specially designed and matched that it's got a little bit of a longer nap. You can kind of see in here that it's got a little bit longer nap there that is designed specially to be able to pull dirt and lift it from the car's surface, from the surface paint of the vehicle, so that we don't scratch the car. And it's specially designed a bunch of little itty bitty pockets to split really fine that holds that dirt and pulls it away from the surface. Because the last thing we want to do, and last thing you want to do, is scratch somebody's car, right? And so using the right towels makes a big difference. If you use a bath towel or you use the cheap towel from some warehouse store or some like auto parts store, you're gonna get a towel that's a lot more inferior, a lot thinner, and you have a really high chance of causing some micro scratches to the vehicle. And anybody who's detailing knows that that's just a no-no. And so what you're doing with Complete Clean is if you're waterless washing, the first thing you do is you're gonna spritz the car in 3 foot by 3 foot areas, just about like that, not really a whole lot more, just enough to get it wet. And you take your towel and you're gonna wipe the surface in an east-west, north-south motion, just like that. We don't want to, and really gently, we don't want to introduce any swirls to the paint. We want to make sure that we're going side to side, east-west, north-south, just to make sure that we're pulling all the dirt, and then the dirt stays inside the towel while we're wiping it off. Once this side of the towel gets dirty, then what we're going to do is we're going to just flip it over and use the other side. Do the next panel until this is dirty, and then what we can do is, we're big fans of folding it in fours, so that we can fold the towel again, and now we've got another 4 sides we can use. If you're folding it in fours, you've got 8 surfaces to use on a towel, and you can do a whole car with 1 towel. Okay, works really great that way. The other way that you can use Complete Clean is as a clay lube. Now, we've got our Essential Eraser that's also in our kits. And the Essential Eraser and Complete Clean work magically together. They're perfectly paired. The reason we did that is that there's a lot of other mitts out there that aren't necessarily up to standard. And so on an Essential Eraser, we've got a clay surface here that's nanotech. It's rubberized nanotechnology that's designed specifically to emulate clay and pull stuff off the vehicle's surface. Now, a lot of other products, what we've seen with some of our competitors, is that they tend to go with a clay lube that's too strong and does too much damage. And so when you put a clay lube that's not matched well, what it's going to end up doing is it's going to start destroying the mitt and leaving black streaks on the car, and nobody wants that. What we really want to do is make sure that we're always doing right by the customer, make sure that their cars are shiny, but we want to do it in the right way. We don't ever want to go down the path of being too aggressive and doing it and causing harm to their vehicle. No one's going to be happy with that result. So what we're going to do then is using the Essential Eraser, you would spritz the car in a section, no more than 2 foot by 2 foot, and then you're going to go side to side really gently. I don't want you guys to push down. We're just going to go up and down, east-west, up and down, east-west, and do that a few times, and you'll actually start hearing it to where you can hear the dirt coming off the vehicle surface. Take your towel and wipe it off. Again, no swirls. We want to make sure that we're going in straight lines, and that is it. That's how you decontaminate a car, but you do the whole car in under 10 minutes. It works fabulous. Biggest tip here is after you get done, make sure that you use a sealant, whether it's wet wax, Superior Shine, or Stamina, to seal the paint and protect the paint so that it's not exposed to the elements, and it's going to be shinier for a lot longer. So that's a Complete Clean and the Essential Eraser. Thank you guys for being advocates. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.